Okay guys, we're standing outside of a property that these people have been calling my brother about this property. As you can see, it has some serious roof issues. However, Section 8 is really booming out in this area. The deck is not in bad shape, and it looks like the windows aren't in bad shape either. From what I understand, it looks very nice on the inside. What I do like is that there's kind of like a little fenced in area here where you can possibly have a dog. Then it has a little shed here as well. But the roof has had it. I'm just going to make a complete circle around the home, and then we're going to head on the inside to see what's going on there. Only thing I don't like about this house is that the lot rent in this particular neighborhood is extremely high. And wow, looks like we have two sheds here. Very interesting. We have two sheds. Okay, so lot rent is high, but Section 8 is booming out here. And guys, we have a roofer that is reliable and cheap. So I don't think this roof is going to be a major thing for him. And guys, they want to sell this puppy fast. So got my little brother out here with me. Joe, you know they got two little sheds. So I'm gonna look at the other side of the house, and then we're gonna go on the inside. This park, if I had to start, I would have to say it's like a 3-star park. I want to understand the AC is working very well. The siding is, the AC is working. The siding is not the greatest. Yeah, the siding is pretty bad over here. Pretty bad. So we could possibly match up the siding and do one side of the house. But if you look real closely, the siding is pretty bad. Okay. But I love the little outdoor shed that they have. Okay. So we got a little problem back here. Yeah, I was telling your wife on this side of the house, it's the siding is really bad. But in here it doesn't look too bad.
Yeah.
And what happened here?
There was a cabinet.
There was a cabinet there.
The bump out that we took out.
Okay, gotcha.
To open it up.
Right.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Was it getting wet under here at one point? Looks like it was some old.
Yeah, or that could be also where some of the siding up to.
Okay. And is the dishwasher gonna stay, or
It doesn't work.
it doesn't? Okay. What appliance is gonna stay?
Where the stove is going to stay.
The stove is gonna stay. The stove is working fine, huh?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Washer dryer? That's gonna stay?
The guy that had it before the guy we had it was actually a woodworker, and he redid that shed that way.
Okay. So, like I said, I would like my roofer to come and take a look at it. Well, all right. Well, give it some thought, and like I said, that's all based upon what the roofer says. Because if he
Right.
says something outrageous, I'll have to go to the blood bank at that point because it's just be too much money.